Smoking and vaping are strictly prohibited. E-cigarettes are to be switched off and batteries removed. The charging and usage of e-cigarettes is strictly prohibited. Please keep an eye on your personal belongings at all times. And for safety reasons, the use and charging of power banks on board is strictly prohibited. Power banks now be stored in the overhead compartments. They shall always be kept with you or stored in your bag placed under the seat in front of you or in the seat pockets at all times. Magandang hapon po at maligayang pagdating sa AirAsia Flight C2309 patungong Iloilo International Airport. Humingi po kami ng paumanhin sa pag-aantala ng ating pag-alis. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pangunawa. Ang flight na ito ay pinangungunahan ni Kapitan Gab Concepcion sa tulong ni Unang Opisyal Lauren Chong. At ako po si Paolo, ang inyong senior cabin crew, kasama sina senior cabin crew John, cabin crew Mix at Allen. Tayo po ililipad ng bigit kumulang 1 oras. Pinakikiusapan po ang lahat ng panauhin na ituwid ang mga sandalan, tiglupin ang mga mesa, buksan ang tabing ng mga bintana at ikabit ang inyong seatbelt. Sa mga oras na ito, mangyari po lamang ilagay ang lahat ng electronic device sa flight mode. Para sa kaalaman ng lahat, ang paninigarilyo kabilang ang paggamit ng e-cigarette sa flight ng AirAsia ay mahigpit na pinagbabawal. Para sa inyong kaligtasan, mahigpit na ipinagbabawal ang paggamit at pag-charge ng power bank sa loob ng eroplano. Hindi rin dapat ilagay ang mga ito sa overhead compartment. Sa halip, maaari itong tago sa seat pocket o di kaya ilagay sa loob ng inyong bag sa ilalim ng upuan sa harapan ninyo. Maraming salamat po. Cabin crew to demonstration, please.
Dear guests, we will now demonstrate to you the safety features of this aircraft. As your safety is our concern and the safety features may differ from other aircraft, we ask for your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you. This is your seat belt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally.